Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana, Deputy Manager from Diet Science Department. I hope most of you have gone through the earlier MedX session by Dr. Pratibha Narayan, where she have discussed in detail about what exactly is gestational diabetes, what are the causes, complications, etc. If you haven't gone through the video, do check it out because today's topic is interrelated to it. So without any delay, let's quickly move to today's session. So today I'm going to discuss about diet to manage gestational diabetes. 90% of gestational diabetes can be managed with diet and exercises. Sedentary lifestyle is the major reason for gestational diabetes these days. So try maintaining a healthy lifestyle not only during pregnancy but also before pregnancy. And try entering pregnancy with a healthy BMI and weight, because being overweight and obese and again putting on weight during pregnancy can lead to complications. Diet plays a major role in controlling sugars. So try eating right during pregnancy in order to control your sugars in a better way. The major principle of controlling your sugars is by maintaining your body alkaline. So the more the body is acidic, the more is insulin resistance, which spikes your sugars. So make sure you're maintaining your body alkaline in order to control your sugars in a better way. So how do we maintain our body alkaline? So this is by including more of plant-based food, which is alkaline in nature, over animal-based food, which are acidic in nature. And moving to the macros, so you will need less of carbohydrates, high protein and high fiber in order to control your sugars in a better way. So when I say carbohydrates, we have two types of carbohydrates. We have simple carbohydrates and we have complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates doesn't have any fiber in them, so that can spike your sugars easily. So these includes white rice, refined flours, jams, jellies, sugars, etc. Whereas complex carbohydrates, they have good amount of fiber in them and this will not spike your sugars easily. So whole grains are all called complex carbohydrates. So you have to choose complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates in order to control your sugars in a better way. And moving to the protein. So when I say protein, the first thing that comes into everyone's mind is milk. So do you think including milk is healthy for a person with gestational diabetes? No, it is not. So I'll give you three reasons, not one or two. I'll give you three main reasons why we ask you to avoid milk and milk products if you are with gestational diabetes. The first and foremost is it has IGF, which is insulin-like growth factor. So this blocks the insulin receptors, thereby increasing the insulin resistance. So all the animal milks do have IGF. And the second one is milk is acidic in nature. So as I said, the more the acidic levels in the body, higher is the insulin resistance. And the third is it has 49% fat. So higher the fat, higher the insulin resistance. So these are the major things that triggers the insulin resistance which are present in the milk. The first is IGF, and milk is acidic in nature and it has high fat content. So that's the reason we usually ask you to avoid milk and milk products if you are a person with gestational diabetes. So most of you might question me, so where do I get my calcium from if I'm cutting down on my milk? So you get good amount of calcium from green leafy vegetables, beans, all kinds of nuts and seeds. So do include these foods when you are cutting down on milk for your calcium and also protein. And when I say high fiber, so higher the fiber, it helps you control your sugars. So we Indians, if you look into Indians' plates, so we eat more of rice and dals and less of vegetables in our diet. So make sure there is a larger portions of vegetables in your diet for better control of sugars. Moving to micronutrients, you will also need good amount of micronutrients during your pregnancy. So when I say micronutrients, these are vitamins and minerals. So during your first trimester, you need more of proteins, vitamin B12, folic acid and zinc. And during the second and third trimesters, you will need more of iron, calcium, magnesium, B complexes, and you'll also need omega-3 fatty acids and DHA. So you get most of these from green leafy vegetables, sprouts, legumes, nuts and seeds, Brussels sprouts, etc. B12 is specially from nutritional yeast. So you get this either in flakes form or powder form. You can sprinkle it on top of your curries, dals, soups, etc. Low levels of zinc or iron can lead to low birth weights, or it can also lead to preterm babies. So make sure you're including your supplements suggested by your gynecologist, and also make sure you're eating right, having a healthy diet, maintaining a healthy lifestyle in order to have a safe and healthy pregnancy. So this is all for today's video. I hope it is informative. See you all soon in another video.